This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Senior Research Scientist Phil Sleva. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home Dish Drops Automatic Dishwasher Powder, freshly cooked short grain rice, a dark dinner plate, a rubber spatula or wooden spoon, and an automatic dishwashing machine. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the power of the enzymes found in Dish Drops Automatic Dishwasher Powder to remove stubborn starchy food residue. First, place 50 milliliters of cooked rice onto the plate and spread it around to cover nearly the entire surface. Pat the rice down to ensure that it'll leave behind a starchy residue. Allow the rice to sit on the plate for 20 minutes. Next, lightly scrape the rice off from the plate using the rubber spatula, leaving the thin starch residue stuck to the plate. Allow the plate to air dry for 6 hours. Now wash the plate in the dishwashing machine using the Dish Drops Automatic Dishwasher Powder according to the label directions and to the dishwasher specifications, which should be between 15 and 30 milliliters of product. This demonstration shows that Amway Home Dish Drops Automatic Dishwashing Powder contains enzymes that completely remove dried starchy film from dishes. The cleaning power of Dish Drops Automatic Dishwashing Powder is clearly evident.